Okay, time for another update. The vertical stabilizer is on, bolted in. Bolts are here and also up top, so it's bolted to this as well. Okay, and obviously we got some wires to figure out. Now, let's see here. So all of this, we've got wires for the strobe lights, positional lights, things like that. So that will be figured out. But right now, the next step is to put on the rudder, which is what Anthony is tearing up over here. And so once we get that in place, this thing is pretty much 97% done. We got some work in the cabin. I didn't show you guys earlier. So right now, all of these parts have already been sprayed down with Corrosion X. And then once we're done installing those, the wing also have been sprayed with Corrosion X. We need to do the cabin though. So right now, the seats are out, and we'll be spraying this as well. Here's the rudder. So this is what controls the lateral movement of the airplane once it's in the air. And rudder is controlled by your foot. Let me show you. So those are your rudder pedals there. And so once you push back and forth with that, your rudder moves side to side. So this is the rudder. When you push on the pedal, it deflects this way. And it controls your yaw movement, so it controls this. So the airplane knows to go this way or that way. But yeah, we're about to do the final installment for that right about now.